Welcome back to Chechi's cooking class. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. To make these yummy cookies we need
flour, butter, chocolate chips, brown sugar and white sugar, vanilla essence, eggs, baking powder and salt.
In a bowl, beat butter and white and brown sugar. Now we have to crack the eggs one at a time. Now add the vanilla and keep mixing. I keep on spilling it. Can I read it? My cookie dough is now ready. Now we have to roll the cookies into the cookie shape. If you want your cookie to be big like mine, you need to scale it until it's up to 80 grams. Now we're gonna bake the cookies for 10 minutes. Let's go. Make sure you have adult supervision. Now my cookies are ready and they look delicious. Now let's try them. Thank you for watching Chechi's cooking class. I hope you enjoyed these cookies. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give a like on this video. Bye bye!